Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning two ayat of Holy Quran, and those are the blessed ayat and also Shifa for those type of diseases and illness for which there is no treatment in the world, and when the people of the world they become hopeless, they think that there is no treatment of our diseases, so we will die now. There is no other solution. They have gone to every type of doctor and got all types of medicines. They used them, but they were not to heal, not to recover their diseases. They were not became healthy. So this way they became hopeless, and they think now we are near to die. And these two ayat are the hope for those people. And if they will read these two ayat, and how it will work, I will tell you after reading these two ayat. So these are two ayat from Surah Baqarah, ayat number 72 and 73. So I read first. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَإِذْ قَتَلْتُمْ نَفْسًا فَادَّارَأْتُمْ فِيهَا وَاللَّهُ مُخْرِجٌ مَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْتُمُونَ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبُوهُ بِبَعْضِهَا كَذَلِكَ يُحْيِي اللَّهُ الْمَوْتَى وَيُرِيكُمْ آيَاتِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ. So these two ayat, Surah Baqarah, ayat number 72 and 73. So Allah said in this ayat, first ayat, وَإِذْ قَتَلْتُمْ, and when you have killed, nafsan, a person. When you have killed a person, فَدَّارَاتُمْ فِيهَا, then you were having dispute among yourselves, because you are not to settle the person who, you are not to find that person who killed this man. So this way you were in a dispute to find out that person. So then these people, they went to Musa alayhi salam, and then they requested that request to Allah, and Allah tell us who killed this man. So then Allah said in this ayat, Wallahu, and Allah mukhrijum ma kuntum, and Allah was to open the name of that person, ma kuntum taktumun, for which you were hiding. So it means the man who killed this man, you were hiding the name of that one, but Allah was to open that one, Allah was to disclose that one. So Allah opened that one, but you were concealing that. So this way Allah said, فَقُلْ نَدْرِبُوهُ, then Allah said, we said to them, نَدْرِبُوهُ, you have to place this one, بِبَادِهَا, the part of that, to the person who was killed. So it means, the first Allah said to them that you have to find the animal like cow, and they slaughtered that one, and Allah said to take the part of the slaughtered cow, any organ, any part of the organ, and then touch that one to the person who was killed. So when they touched, the person became alive, and he told the name who killed him. This way Allah said, كَذَلِكَ يُحْيِي اللَّهُ الْمَوْتَى. This way Allah tells you that how Allah can make alive a person who was dead. And it is not difficult for Allah to make alive the person who was dead. وَيُرِيكُمْ آيَاتِهِ, and Allah show you these type of signs. لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ, so that you must use your akal, your mind. think about that Allah can do this, that someone who is dead, Allah make that person alive. So Allah can make you alive again when you will die. After that, the day of judgment will be there, and all of you who were dead, you will become alive. And you have to face Allah, where the accountability will be there, and on the basis of accountability, you will have hell or paradise. So I read this one time more. Allah said, وَإِذْ قَتَلْتُمْ نَفْسًا فَادَّارَأْتُمْ فِيهَا وَاللَّهُ مُخْرِجٌ مَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْتُمُونَ فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبُوهُ بِبَعْضِهَا كَذَلِكَ يُحْيِي اللَّهُ الْمَوْتَى وَيُرِيكُمْ آيَاتِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ. And when you killed a man, then you were in a dispute about it among yourself. But Allah was to bring before you the person who killed him, for which you were hiding. And Allah said, we said you strike him with a part of it, like it. Allah revives, Allah make alive the dead one, and shows his signs, so that you may use your intellect or mind. So main thing is that at the time of Prophet Musa alayhi salam, one person was killed, and there was a problem to find out who killed him. And those people, they came to Musa alayhi salam and requested him that you tell us who killed him. Request Allah, Allah will tell you, and then you have to tell us. So when Musa alayhi salam requested Allah, Allah said to Musa alayhi salam, tell these people, they have to find an animal like cow, and they have to slaughter it, and the slaughtered cow, any part of the slaughtered cow, they have to touch the person who was killed. The person will become alive, and he will tell the name who killed him. So this way Musa alayhi salam told them, and then what have they done? And after that, when they slaughtered the animal like cow, and then they took one part of the body of the slaughtered animal, and they touched the person, and the person became alive, and he told the name of the person. So this way Allah said that Allah can make alive the dead one. This way, when you will become dead, like after death, Allah will make you alive again, and you will have to come before Allah at the day of judgment, where accountability will be there, and on the basis of accountability, you will have paradise or hell. So this way, and this ayat is very important. A person who is having a disease or illness for which there is no treatment, the person has gone to different type of medical departments, like different type of doctors and other people's, all type of treatments, whatever possible in the world, the person has done, but he has no found a remedy of his own disease or illness. So that person is still the same. So for that person, the best way is he has to find the healthy animal and request Allah that I am slaughtering that animal for you, and the animal must be slaughtered for that person, just for Allah. And then the slaughtered animal, the part of the slaughtered animal, maybe the meat, any part like from the animal, so a piece of the meat, that must be touched with this person who has no treatment, who was having no treatment, who is ill person, who is person suffer with disease. So the slaughtered animal is meat or flesh, a part of it must be touched with this person, and that part must be buried in the soil. So when you will bury that in the soil, his disease will be buried, and the person will become healthy, inshallah. And the whole animal must be given to the poor people. They will eat and make dua for that person also. That will become a sadaqah also. So this way the person will become better, inshallah. So the other thing here is for this is the best treatment for the disease. Mostly some people have disease, like in this disease the pain start from the buttocks or from the thigh, and the pain goes up to the ankles. So this pain is too much. The person sometimes at night time cries a lot, and the person goes to different places. Not possible to find the treatment for this pain. So for that person, the best way, these two ayat, the person has to read them 7 times. Start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and then read these ayat 7 times, and then blow on the oil like mustard oil, like olive oil, like almond oil. So then blow on that one, and then this oil must be massaged. He should massage his full leg with this oil, and do it at least 21 days. So inshallah this pain will finish. The person will become inshallah healthy and no any problem, and the peaceful, and the person will feel nice. And then the person should be thankful to Allah, must pray salatul shukr to Allah, and give sadaqah also, so that Allah's blessings will fall the person inshallah. So we have to get all types of medicines and Shifa from Holy Quran, because Allah said in Holy Quran is the Shifa'un Linnas. So this is Shifa'un Linnas. Linnas mean for all the people, even Muslim, non-Muslim, all the people, they can get relief from Holy Quran, because Holy Quran is the Shifa for everyone. Not for Muslim, but for others also. Because if it was just for Shifa for Muslim, then Allah was to say Shifa al Mu'mineen. But Allah said in Holy Quran, it is Shifa al Linnas. So the Holy Quran is the Shifa, is the treatment remedy for the whole human beings of the world. So this way we should get relief and good remedy from Holy Quran, and we have to do it and then get relief, so that we should be thankful to Allah, because Allah is blessed. Allah blessed us with the health, and we have to maintain it. If there is any problem, we have to request Allah. Allah is ready to accept our request every time, but we are the people must know how to go before Allah for request, and then inshallah your request will be accepted, and Allah's blessings and mercies will fall upon you, and you will find your body healthy, your mind healthy, and you will do the good work, get halal rizq, and spend a good life, and you will have this life and life hereafter better. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.